Thanks for watching Travel with John Spate. Here's my tour and review of Loft 19 aboard the Carnival Jubilee. Welcome to Loft 19. Loft 19 is a brand new concept for Carnival, which is designed to give cruisers a resort-style experience. The loungers here have a very comfortable padding, which helps to enhance the relaxation while on vacation. You can gain access to this exclusive area if you are staying in an XL class suite or by renting out one of the cabanas, which is typically $500 per day or $2,500 for a 7-day cruise. The cabana rentals do include a complimentary bottle of champagne, bottled waters, and fresh fruit delivered to your cabana daily. You won't find a pool up on Loft 19, but it does have a jetted hot tub, which is very comfortable and provides a good amount of space. The hot tub directly overlooks the Serenity Deck and has a glass front that can be seen from underneath, so be careful what you do while in the hot tub. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more tours, reviews, and advice coming soon. Up on Loft 19 is where you'll find the second set of the ship's coins. Being that Loft 19 is the highest deck on the ship, you'll get some amazing views, whether at port or at sea. During my 7-day cruise on the Jubilee, I spent a good amount of time up on Loft 19, and I must say, it was an amazing experience due to the exceptional service and relaxing atmosphere. I'd highly recommend checking out Loft 19 the next time you're on one of Carnival's XL class ships. And if you want to see the room that got me access to Loft 19, check out my XL Aft Suite Tour. Thanks for watching.